Hey there, future web developers. Welcome back to ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. Today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to grab your attention. We're going to lay out a comprehensive web development roadmap that can potentially lead you to a salary of 10-12 lakhs per year. Yes, you heard that right. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey, let's dive in. 1. Why choose web development? First, let's talk about why web development is an excellent choice. The demand for web developers is soaring, and it's not showing any signs of slowing down. Businesses and organizations of all sizes need a strong online presence, which means they need skilled web developers to create and maintain their websites and web applications. This demand for web developers translates into competitive salaries, making it an attractive career option. But how can you achieve that 10-12 lakh salary? Let's break it down. 2. The web development roadmap. Becoming a high-earning web developer requires a clear roadmap. Here are the key steps. 1. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Start with the fundamentals. HTML for structuring content, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. 2. Choose a specialization. Decide whether you want to focus on front-end development, working on the user interface, or back-end development, working on server-side logic. 3. Front-end development. If you choose front-end, dive deeper into frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, or Vue.js. 4. Back-end development. For back-end development, learn server-side scripting languages like Node.js, Python, or Ruby on Rails. 5. Databases. Understand databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB to manage data effectively. 6. Version control, Git. Master Git for code versioning and collaboration. 7. Hosting and deployment. Learn how to host and deploy your web applications on platforms like AWS, Heroku, or Netlify. 8. APIs and RESTful services. Understand how to work with APIs and create RESTful services. 9. Security best practices. Ensure your applications are secure by learning about common web security vulnerabilities and how to protect against them. 10. Frameworks and libraries. Explore additional tools and libraries relevant to your specialization. 3. Building a portfolio. Now, here's the secret sauce to landing high-paying web development gigs: your portfolio. As you learn and apply your skills, start building a portfolio of projects to showcase your abilities to potential employers. Include personal projects, freelance work, or contributions to open-source projects. Your portfolio will serve as a powerful testament to your expertise. 4. Staying updated. The web development field evolves rapidly. New technologies and trends emerge regularly. To stay competitive, you must continue learning and adapting. Subscribe to tech blogs, attend webinars, and consider certifications to stay updated. 5. Landing high-paying jobs. Now, let's talk about landing those high-paying web development jobs. As your skills and portfolio grow, you'll become a valuable asset in the job market. Look for job opportunities with reputable companies, startups, or consider freelancing. When negotiating your salary, research industry standards and highlight your unique skills and contributions. Don't be afraid to aim high. 6. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the web development roadmap that can lead you to a salary of 10-12 lakhs per year. Remember, success in web development requires dedication, continuous learning, and a strong work ethic. But the rewards, both professionally and financially, are well worth it. If you found this roadmap helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with aspiring web developers, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable career insights and tech-related content. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next video.